Hey guys, welcome to Slater's channel. Today we're on my buddy Charlie's property again. I got the 357 and the 12 gauge. We're getting ready to do a review real quick on some ammo I bought online and on that new Blackhawk stock. So I'm going to do some shooting real quick and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I'm going to take aim at this and see what happens. I was getting those type of groups with 38, just 38 special, 125 grain raineir lead-safe bullets with around 3.5 to 4 grains of HP 38 in those loads. I have some 38 special plus P's coming out with 5 grains of HP 38. I'm going to test next time I come out here. But as of right now, these are only the 125 grains that I've had for a couple months now. So I'm getting ready to load this up again and take out some more groups. So stay tuned. Alright guys, this is what I've done so far with that 38 special. Nothing too major, but I'm getting good grouping out of that 125 raineir bullet. It's working really well. And so my camera guy's getting ready to zoom in on that target, and I'm going to get my ears on and Alright, I'm really impressed with these rounds. I'm getting ready to dismount my camera from the tripod, and I'm going to show you how much jump this heavy 5-pound revolver has with my high-end 38 specials. They're not maxed out, but they're close to being maxed out. So I will catch you guys in a minute. Alright guys, this is the 125 grain raineir flat nose that I'm using. So just go to midway.com, go to bulk handgun bullets, and you'll find them. They're about 98 bucks for 1,000. Yeah, this is what you can do with it. I like that. I like the fact that I don't lose my breath. Here, I'll show you another batch. This is from a different time. I think this only has like 4 grain HP. I'll aim for that top left. like that group. That was better than the last one. And for my final, I'm going to aim for the top right. And then I'm going to end this on good note. Oh, come here. Ooh, she's getting hot. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to wrap this up, and this is my groupings from all my reloads that I've made in the past 6 months. I'm pretty happy with the quality. I've been using Lee dies, a Lee single stage press, HP 38 powder, little gun powder, which is shotgun powder, and unique, which you can't find anymore. I can't even find it at a gun shop. So if you want to get interested in reloading, it's a fun hobby, and you never have more ammo shortage, and you can load them where they're accurate. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Keep it brutal, and I will catch you guys on the next Slayer's channel.